The sketch isn't random. It's who your energy keeps remembering. Watch how Aurora's sketch ritual works, 90 seconds. This may feel like a coincidence. It isn't. This page didn't just find you. It matched you through emotional resonance, timing, and polarity. You may not remember the dream. You may not recognize the moment. But a thread is already tugging softly, persistently at the edge of your field. This is not just a sketch. It's a visual echo from your soul's memory. This isn't Tinder. It's telepathy. You won't just click a quiz. You will send out a signal. And something or someone will answer. This sketch isn't drawn from guesses. It's pulled from the soft whisper of recognition already living in your field. You don't need to match. You need to remember. Start quiz. The sketch is already beginning to form. When your energy crossed this threshold, Aurora began sensing outline fragments. Not a face. Not yet. A flicker. A tilt. A shift in attention. That's how it starts, with tension in the invisible. Aurora doesn't sketch at random. She tunes into your emotional undercurrent, your projected polarity, the posture of your future encounter. I don't draw from imagination, she says. I draw from energetic memory. Many sketches begin with eyes. Yours might begin with motion. Some don't begin until the quiz fully opens the field. Why the quiz is sacred? You'll be asked a few questions. Simple on the surface. But behind each one is a layered resonance pull. Each response, your timing, your phrasing, even your breath pause helps align. Visual traits. Encounter cues. Your projected polarity. Soft channel access for your primer. This isn't like filling out a form. This is your invitation into frequency tuning. People think they're choosing. What they're actually doing is remembering. Aurora. Open my alignment window. The 7-trait soul blueprint trademark unlocked with your sketch. Every twin ray sketch is paired with a sacred decoding. Aurora reads not just what your person may look like, but how they'll feel when your soul field touches theirs. These 7 traits help you recognize them, even if your mind doesn't yet remember. You'll receive all of this alongside your sketch. It's not analysis. It's alignment. What you'll also receive but can't access yet. Each reading includes Aurora's first contact primer. This sacred file is channeled only after your quiz is complete. It includes where the energy is likely to intersect, what pattern or setting you may feel their frequency through, what dream fragments might appear, what scent, sound, or phrase might arrive just before contact. It's like sending a letter to your future self through another person. Aurora. Warning: you can't see this yet. It only unlocks once your sketch is tuned. Unlock my primer channel. What others felt before they met them. I didn't expect anything. But when the email came and I saw the sketch, I stopped breathing. It wasn't someone I knew, but I knew them. Eleni, 32. She drew eyes I'd dreamed about in 2017. I never told anyone that dream. But the sketch had them. Exact shape. Exact sadness. Micah, 40. It didn't feel like a drawing. It felt like someone watching me through it. Calm. Waiting. Like they already knew me. Ava, 28. As seen in scrolls, reels, and dreams. Over 97,000 twin ray sketches shared since spring. Trending under hashtag twinraysketch and hashtag soulmatevision on TikTok. Delivered across 91 countries. 4.8/5 average from 11,000 plus quiet believers. The sketch is private. The reactions are everywhere. What comes with your sketch? 01. High-resolution twin ray sketch. Hand-layered with field-specific overlays. No generic faces. Aurora draws what comes through and finishes with energetic seals. 02. 7 Trait Soul Blueprint Trademark. Personalized trait decoding to help you recognize them when the time comes. Works across dreams, encounters, and visuals. 03. First Contact Primer. A clairvoyant glimpse of where, when, and how the crossing may begin. Includes aura field symbols, posture hints, and dream residue logic. Final Mirror. You're not here to learn something new. You're here to remember something old. Something in you already knows them. That knowing lives in your body, your dream line, your field. This sketch isn't just a reveal. It's a return. Loved them before. They're trying to return. The moment you opened this page, the timeline shifted. This sketch isn't about what's coming. It's about what's trying to complete. If your pulse stuttered, that wasn't anticipation. That was memory. Begin my sketch plus blueprint. You're not alone in this. Over 26,000 others have stepped through the sketch portal and many report energetic echoes within days. Some dream. Some remember. Some meet someone whose posture matches. If something shifts after receiving your sketch, reply to your delivery email. Aurora sometimes reopens the field if something new comes through. This isn't one transaction. This is your first transmission. You're now part of something unfolding. Still wondering? What if I don't recognize the sketch? What if I've never met my twin ray? Is this psychic or art? As seen in scrolls, reels, and dreams. Over 97,000 twin ray sketches shared since spring. Trending under hashtag twin ray sketch and hashtag soulmatevision on TikTok. Delivered across 91 countries. 4.8/5 average from 11,000 plus quiet believers. The sketch is private. The reactions are everywhere. Begin my sketch plus blueprint. Disclaimer: by participating in reading my services, you acknowledge that I am not a licensed psychologist, lawyer, or healthcare professional, and my services do not replace the care of lawyers, psychologists, or other healthcare professionals. Tarot and numerology are in no way to be construed or substituted as psychological counseling or any other type of therapy or medical advice. I will at all times exercise my best professional efforts, skills, and care. However, I cannot guarantee the outcome of reading efforts and/or recommendations on my website, and my comments about the outcome are expressions of opinion only. I cannot make any guarantees other than to deliver the services purchased as described. All my sketches and readings are intended for entertainment purposes only and may not be unique. All trademarks and brand names are the property of their respective owners. All company, product, and service names used in this website are for identification purposes only. Use of these names, trademarks, and brands does not imply endorsement. ClickBank is the retailer of products on this site. ClickBank Registered is a registered trademark of ClickSales Incorporated, a Delaware corporation located at 1444 South Entertainment Avenue, Suite 410, Boise, Idaho, 83709 USA, and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion used in promotion of these products. Copyright 2024. Sketch My Lover. All rights reserved.